So we're going to be styling this gorgeous unit from Asteria Hair. This is 3 bundles of Peruvian straight in 14 inches. So I really wanted that short bob look because I thought it was quite different, as I always do the same style. We need to start off by bleaching the knots on this lace. As you can see, it's quite dark. So by bleaching the knots, this is going to lighten up the roots and make it look more natural. So I'm going to mix the peroxide and the powder to a thick consistency. You don't want it to be runny, otherwise it's going to run into the hair and dye the hair. You only want to like dye or bleach the lace. So that's what I'm doing here. So I just applied a nice thin layer over the top of the lace, and then I'm gonna let that sit for a few minutes. By a few minutes I mean like 30 to 40 minutes, until you can see it going like blonde, like orangey, and then I'm gonna wash it out with a purple shampoo just to neutralize it, to make sure it doesn't go orange. We don't want it to go orange, we want it to look quite flesh toned. So I'm just gonna wash that out. I'm gonna scrub the frontal, I'm gonna scrub the closure to make sure everything is all neutral. So once that's done, this is what the lace should look like. So it should have lightened up and matched my skin a lot better compared to how dark it looked before. Now, this is your key ingredient. This is your friend. When I came across this, I was like, nah. All this time, my wigs haven't been sitting. So I'm going to be using a hot comb. This hot comb is from WHOLSALE. I got it off Amazon, and it's so good for frontals and closures. Literally, it presses it down. Your thing will be sitting on your head like glue. So I'm gonna straighten the hair out as well with just some regular straighteners. As you can see, the hair is already looking really nice and shiny, and I haven't even put anything in it yet. I'm gonna go section by section and straighten out the rest of the wig. And yeah, let me know how you guys feel about this bob unit on me. I really like it. I'm glad that I chose to do it. Anywho, so now I'm going to take some hairspray. I'm going to spray that on the closure part of the wig, and then I'm going to hot comb it. What this is going to do is going to ensure that the flyaways are tamed. We're not going to have any like hair sticking up, because we don't want that. We want all the hair to align. If you don't have hairspray, you can use this this product. This is the Care wax stick. Amazing. It's probably better than the hairspray. Now I'm taking my argan oil. I'm going to distribute that all over the wig. I love this product for like all different types of hair textures. So it's curly, straight, wavy. It literally soaks into the hair, makes it look really nice and healthy. It looks greasy now, but once it sits in for a while, it looks really nice and healthy. Now I'm going to take some length off the wig. The wig was a lot longer, and I started doing this off camera. I did cut a lot off camera, but whilst I was doing this, I was like, it makes sense to film it. So I'm just going to go over it and just like trim and make everything look really even and really nice. I wanted it to hit like my jawline, so as close to my jawline as possible, but not too short, but not too long at the same time. Just off my shoulders, because it's too hot to be wearing wigs that are long and to be wearing frontals. That's why I chose this style, because it's very easy and quick. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm literally just cutting. I'm basically making sure everything is straight. I want it to be like a blunt cut. I didn't have razors, so I had to improvise with some scissors, but I think it looks good nonetheless. And now everything is all cut. I'm just going to show you what the hair looks like. Super nice and shiny after all that oil is sat into the hair. Super straight. I love it. It looks amazing. And now we're going to put the wig on and see what it looks like on. So hey, I'm wigless. I'm popping my wig on. I always have an angry face when I'm doing my hair. I don't know if this is anybody else but me. Like, I literally always look like I'm about to fight someone when I'm doing my hair. Anyway, I'm going to go over the straighteners. I'm going to go over the hair with my straighteners just to make sure everything is nice and sleek, and fix my parting. It could have been a little bit better, but hey. Then I'm going to go over it with my flat comb just to make sure everything is on flat. And then I'm going to put the oil just a tiny bit on the actual closure, and once that's done, you set to go. I really like styling my hair on a wig head. It just makes everything so much easier. You can see every crook and every every corner, so you can get all the hair straight. The hair moves so well. I love hair from Asteria Hair. I love their straight hair. Their straight hair is amazing. But yeah, I absolutely love this style on me. I've seen it on other people and it inspired me to get it, and I'm so glad I got it because it just looks so bomb. I'll leave all the details for the hair and the wig maker and everything like that in the description box. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. This was very quick, and yeah, love you guys. Bye.